Just thought I'd come out here and do some winter macro photography. It's something a little different. So I've just taken a few pictures, I've probably already showed you, of some frosted over vegetation, some little tiny buds left dried from the fall. So what I'm going to do now is show you the squirrel footprints. I figure why not? Let's get some use macro photography to photograph the footprints of the wild animals. Let's take a look. Now, let's turn this here. Ta-da! Let's see. I'm going to move this over just a tad, get them more centered. They look pretty. There we go. I think that's focused. Oh, if I can get Ozzy to focus, right? Hopefully those turned out. And I believe the woods are full of all sorts of subjects. Okay, I think I may have found another good composition. So we take this dead tree that's got all these holes in it, and you can tell where there's frost embedded in the holes. But then you also have this bit of, and I'm not sure if that's ivy or grapevine, with all the bits of hairy appendages. But I thought that might make a cool photo, so let's give it a shot. Okay, to put it in better perspective, this is what I'm looking at. I just took a sequence of different photos, doing ISO 800, f3.5, and about a 60th of a second to try to capture the icicles forming around this little woodpecker hole in the tree. So let me know down in the comments if you like it, and I'll post it right here for you to see how well it turned out. Sorry, now I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit to see what we can find for composition using the hairy bits of the so that doesn't look too bad. But I think I want to try to get more work on the individual hairs, and I think I'm going to need both hands. So excuse me while I put you in my pocket for a second. I think I've got my composition here. I'm going to be hitting the magnifier, focusing in a little better, and then taking my shot. I'm going to try it about 3 or 4 different times. And my friends, the chickadees, have been coming over to visit. I'm not sure if they're just curious as to what I'm doing by this tree. They are cavity nesters, so maybe this is one of the trees they call home, or they want to say thank you for finally coming out with putting food in the feeder. I think I may have nailed this shot. It's a wonder how much a tripod can help you. I came out the other day and tried to take photos without it, and nothing came out. Well, let's keep wandering. Well, looks like old Martha the squirrel must have gotten pretty hungry. She's dug up her stash. Or maybe it was another creature. But she sometimes likes to sit on this rock to eat. See, she's got a few up there. There's the food on the rock. Digging up that pile that I photographed the other day. I think I'm going to skip trying to photograph the cones and see how the ones I did the other day turned out. Let's keep wandering. Oh, maybe the ice on the branch is up ahead. This strikes me as a really pretty scene. I wonder if there's any micro photos to be made here. There's some older tracks from the foxes here, but nothing good and fresh. But I can share a few of the fox prints that I have taken previously. I thought they were pretty cool. Atmosphere changes day to day. Some of the photos that I attempted the other day aren't here anymore because they melted. Okay, so I just played around a little bit with these flowers. Hopefully they come out because I think they're really pretty. Somebody's runway is right here. You can see little tracks. I'm not sure if that's squirrel or stoat, mink, who knows. Okay, so I posted a question in the community tab asking how I could change up the channel this year, and you said shorter videos. So I'm going to try to go shorter, although, you know, when we go on camping trips and like that, it might be a little bit longer. I'll try to keep them under half an hour. So, and I hope you enjoy the new trail camera Wildlife Wednesdays. They're just going to be 5 minutes, and hopefully I get enough to do it every week. If not, you know, it'll be at least every 2 weeks, I think. And I say way too much. Anyways, comment below, feel free to ask questions. You never know, your question might turn into a video. And I hope you enjoy the new year. I'll tack on a few more photos if I find any. So, till next time, bye!